Welcome all in today's lecture. So today we will be discussing about the article which was published by a professor 2 to 3 days before, in which he has basically proved that general relativity is wrong. And today we are going to discuss about that article. So in this article, general relativity is wrong. GR is based upon a toy model of spacetime as an abstract Riemannian geometry which does not models nature's foundation of Euclidean space and time permitted by energy carrying immutable point charges. We can rehabilitate GR with the concept of quantum general relativity, which has the following corrections. We'll see the corrections. QGR is rebased into Euclidean space and time. QGR is based on geometrical, physically mutable quanta of charge. In the context of QGR, the quantum is redefined and reframed as the electrino and positrino point charges. So QGR deals with properly with the fixed high energy limited per charge quantum and the associated density limits and electromagnetic configuration. QGR is enhanced with the understanding that Euclidean space is permitted by structures that have characteristics that vary with their energy. Here the professor is proving that how general relativity is wrong, as well as the energy of local structures tapering with distance, their physical characteristics implement Einstein's spacetime geometry. QGR includes mathematical bridges between Euclidean coordinates in space and time and Riemann coordinates in space either. Here they have proved that QGR, that quantum general relativity, which has the following corrections. They have given some corrections in that. And they have also, the professor also told us that it was based upon a toy model of spacetime as an abstract Riemannian geometry which does not model natures of foundation Euclidean space and time permitted by energy carrying immutable point charges. So here they have proven that what were the corrections they want in general relativity and proven that why it is wrong.